Hello, and I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. It's the home of the 5 minute or less video. I will tell you everything you need to know on this subject within 5 minutes. I worked for IRS for a decade. I've been in private practice for 4 decades. I've been doing this for, God, 50 years. God, don't I look it? Anyway, many of you have come to me because you've seen me on the national news. I have a bunch of interviews out there, and I have a lot of subscribers, so I thank you for those. And I want you can see those and my whole team of people that I work with to resolve IRS matters at 777irs.com. We're very selective who we work with. If we can't help you, we won't take a case, but we will talk to you about your case. Today I want to talk to you about all of a sudden a bunch of people are calling you because and you don't know why, and you're not sure of what's going on, and you're wanting to know why everyone is calling you. Tax lawyers and companies and everyone's making these great claims. Well, what's happened is IRS has filed a federal tax lien against you. Whether you know or know it, IRS has gone through the CP14, 501, 503, 504, and 1058 letter, and they went ahead and they have determined that you didn't respond to them, and they filed a federal tax lien. IRS can file a federal tax lien if you owe over $10,000. They usually do it at a higher amount, but they do it at that amount. So just to let you know, they will go ahead and file that lien, and once that lien becomes public a record, it's like if you get a ticket. If you ever got a ticket, not that I've got a ticket, but I have many. I've got tickets. I get a whole bunch of letters and mail from these driving from companies that go ahead and they can get rid of tickets. It's the same thing with these people. Once you file a federal tax lien, they are like sharks in water. I made another video. This last person that talked to me had 22 different companies hit them. They owed over $86,000 in tax, and people come out. They're saying they're attorneys and they're this and they're that. First of all, an attorney cannot solicit you. So if anyone says they're an attorney or from a law office, they cannot do solicitations. What these companies are lead generations. You will get those notices and letters in the mail telling you who they are, how they're going to resolve, and it's a numbers game. These people go ahead and send out letters nationally and locally, making all sorts of claims and promises. Let me just tell you, don't believe the crap. I've looked at so many letters. Clients have brought them in, and you don't want to go ahead and hire those companies. First of all, many claims that are in there are incorrect. They're from lead generation companies and third parties who can't keep those promises at all. If you really have an IRS problem, this has got to make sense to you. You want to hire, and look, I have tax attorneys and CPAs and enrolled agents, but you want to hire former IRS agents who know the problem inside and out. What people don't realize is I know the boundaries, what IRS allows, what they don't allow, where you can push them. I know the book that people don't know, only because I've been doing this for 50 years. But anyway, if you don't use me, you have a friend that does it. Just disregard the claims that these people make in the letter. They will try to sell you anything and tell you anything because they get a commission when you sign up. You're going to pay these people a fee, sometimes a sizable fee, and at the end of the day, you're going to lose at the end. This phone here gets so many calls from people who have been ripped off by these companies. Do your due diligence, and if you are going to hire someone, go ahead and make sure you see the person face to face. Let them tell you what their exit strategy and how they're going to work your case and what they can do, and certainly find out the experience they have. Thank you very much for listening. Please give me a subscription. I try to tell you the truth so you don't get ripped off. Anyway, I have a whole team of former IRS agents. Love to talk to you. You can leave any comments or call me for a consultation. Thank you so much.